If you need to request a refund from Google Photos, follow these steps to ensure a smooth process. Here is how to go about it. Step 1. Check eligibility. Before initiating a refund request, review Google Photos refund policy to ensure your purchase qualifies for a refund. Typically, subscriptions can be refunded within a specific time frame. Step 2. Sign into your account. Log into your Google account associated with your Google Photos subscription. Make sure you are using the correct account to access your purchase history. Step 3. Access purchase history. Navigate to the Google Play Store or Google account settings and find the purchase history section. Here, you can locate the transaction related to your Google Photos subscription. Step 4. Request a refund. Once you find the relevant transaction, click on it to see the details. Look for the option to request a refund and follow the prompts to submit your request. Provide any necessary information to support your claim. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your refund request, monitor your email for confirmation from Google. They will inform you whether your request has been approved or if further action is needed. In conclusion, following these steps can help you successfully navigate the refund process for Google Photos. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Google support for additional assistance.